Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success, love, wealth, or perfect health, while others struggle endlessly? What if I told you that everything you experience right now was assumed by you first, even without knowing it? Welcome to the powerful world of the law of assumption. This isn't just another law of attraction video. Today, I'll reveal hidden secrets most people don't talk about. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use the law of assumption to manifest anything you desire faster than you ever imagined. So stay with me and listen carefully. What is the law of assumption? The law of assumption, popularized by Neville Goddard, is based on a simple but powerful truth. Whatever you assume to be true becomes your reality. If you assume you're loved, rich, healthy, or successful, and hold that assumption with belief, then your external world must rearrange to match that inner belief. It's not about hoping. It's not about wishing. It's about assuming it's already done. Secret number 1. Your imagination is God. Neville Goddard said, "Imagination is God, and God is within you." This means your imagination isn't just fantasy, it's creative power. What you imagine with full belief becomes fact in the physical world. But most people use their imagination against themselves. They assume failure. They assume rejection. They assume they're not good enough. And guess what? Reality delivers exactly that. Secret number 2. The feeling is the secret. You can't just say, "I am rich," 100 times and expect magic to happen. You need to feel the truth of your assumption. Ask yourself, how would I feel if I already had what I wanted? What would my inner conversations sound like? How would I walk, talk, think, and act? Then, step into that version of you, mentally, and feel it now. Even if nothing changes outside immediately, stay loyal to the inner experience. Reality will catch up. Secret number 3. Ignore the 3D. Here's the part most people mess up. They assume something positive. They feel good. Then, they check their bank account. They check if their ex texted. They look around and say, "Nothing's changed." And they go right back to their old state. Big mistake. You must learn to ignore the 3D reality when it contradicts your assumption. Remember, the 3D is just old news. It's the result of previous assumptions. Stay in your new state, no matter what the outer world shows. Secret number 4. Time is an illusion. One of the most mind-blowing truths is, everything already exists right now, in potential. The moment you assume something and feel it as true, you shift into the version of reality where that thing is already yours. It's not about waiting. It's about persisting in the assumption until the world conforms. Time is just how your mind experiences the unfolding of what's already done. Daily practice to manifest anything. Here's a simple but powerful daily routine to activate the law of assumption. Morning. As soon as you wake up, assume your desire is already yours. Say, "Thank you for this beautiful life. Everything I desire is mine now." During the day, whenever doubts come up, replace them with, "I already have it, it's done." Nighttime visualization. Before sleep, imagine a short scene that implies your wishes fulfilled. Feel it, smile, and fall asleep in that state. This is called SATS, state akin to sleep, and it's one of the most powerful tools Neville taught. Final secret. You are always manifesting. Here's the truth. The law of assumption is always working, whether you're aware of it or not. Right now, you're assuming something. The question is, are you assuming in your favor or against yourself? Choose your assumptions deliberately. Persist in the new story, and you will see the world around you bend in your favor. If this resonated with you, don't just watch and forget. Live it. Practice it. Become it. And if you want more content like this, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Because they deserve to know the truth too. You are powerful. You are the operant power. And it's already yours. See you in the next video.